In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and, before you know it, you'll have a well-organized balance sheet right at your fingertips. Let's dive in and make sense of running this report together. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Reports. This is where you'll spend some time exploring QuickBooks' robust reporting capabilities. Once you've clicked on Reports, you'll be taken to a page with different options, and you'll want to focus on the tab marked Standard Reports. This section houses a variety of detailed reports tailored for effective business management. Your task here is to locate the balance sheet report, which is an essential tool for understanding your financial standing. When you select the balance sheet, QuickBooks Online simplifies the process by running the report automatically for you. The system may take a few moments to load, so just sit tight while your information is being compiled and organized. The balance sheet will soon display, showcasing your company's assets, liabilities, and equity all in one place. It's a snapshot of your company's financial state at a particular moment in time. Now, let's talk about customization, because one size doesn't always fit all. At the top left of your report, you'll notice options for adjusting the report period. This is a powerful feature, allowing you to set specific beginning and end dates for your balance sheet. Whether you're looking to analyze a particular quarter, a fiscal year, or any customized date range, this option empowers you to tailor the report to meet your needs. Additionally, there's an option for choosing the accounting method, either cash or accrual. The cash method records revenue and expenses when they are received and paid, while the accrual method records them when they are earned and incurred. Selecting between these methods can vastly change the outlook of your financial data, depending on how you prefer to view your financial health. Remember, any selections you make here will be applied instantly, so you'll see the updated information right away. And just like that, you have your balance sheet ready to go. It's that simple. Having this report at your disposal is invaluable for keeping tabs on your business's financial journey. Whether you're presenting this data to stakeholders, reviewing it for management decisions, or simply staying informed, you're all set with this quick and efficient process in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials on enhancing your financial management skills.